Hi and welcome to this course, Build a Complete E-commerce Application using Flutter. In this course, you will be taught how to create a complete e-commerce store using Flutter. And I'm going to be using Flutter as well as Firebase as our database. So by the end of this course, you should have great understanding of Flutter because you will build a very complicated project. Second, you will be able to create your own applications using Flutter. So this course will give you the opportunity to become a master in this framework in Flutter. I hope I see you in this course, and thanks for listening.